Hi everyone, how are you all? So today I want to share a very exciting news with you. I have created a course which is the Ultimate Vision Board course. If you have been following me, you know that I basically try to practice everything. Like for me it's quest of knowing life and trying out different things, and I have tried a lot of manifestation technique and vision boards also. And what I have realized is that vision boards work like magic. For me, couple of manifestation techniques have also worked, like 369 method, but it requires lot of effort, and I used to find visualization very challenging. But but eventually I got the feel of it and I could visualize when I was meditating. But when I started creating vision board 1 year back, I didn't have any expectation with vision board. But you know it's like it's very magical. Whatever I wrote, or whatever pictures I pasted on my vision board, most of those came true. So if I have to talk about it, I created 5 vision board, out of which 3 completely came true. And there were experiences, like the opportunities came, things happened, and I was like, wow. I don't know how it is happening, but I had it in my vision board. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Maybe it goes to your subconscious mind and that, fastens the process, or maybe something else happens. So that's why I wanted to teach this, how to create vision board to people. And this is not just about creating vision board. In this course, I also help you on how you can get clarity in your life, like what are the areas you should focus on, and how do you create goals, and how do you create different think about the elements for your vision board. So it's a course which has 9-10 modules. Why you should buy this course? First, it's a recorded course and you have lifetime access. So I know many people are super busy and they cannot commit to a time, but since it's recorded, you can watch it whenever you want and you have lifetime access. So once you create a vision board, if you want to create another one, you can watch it again. Second reason is I am there to support you. So when you create vision board, I will be accountable. You can share it with me and then I'll review it and I'll let you know if there are some other elements or some other things you can add. Also, I have a WhatsApp community, so you can join that and you can directly WhatsApp me. Third is, for this specific course, I have created a Facebook community also, so you can join that and help other people or take other people help. And when we do things in community, it's like we motivate each other. And yeah, if you watch my videos, you know that I don't really sell things, but yeah, I thought this is a course, this vision board is a concept which actually deserves its own course, and people don't know about it. But I really want you to use it and see its magic happen. And I'll be true to you. I am not saying that you create a vision board and it manifests. No, you have to give it 3 to 6 months to see results. But and creating a vision board, it doesn't take more than 1 hour. Like, even if you have to start from clarity of goals. But what happened is, many of us, for us, life is just going on and we don't want to, although we want to achieve a lot of things, but then we don't have time, or we don't want to take the time out for doing something for ourselves. And if you are also someone who have clarity of goals and who are trying to manifest things and things are not working out, I would say, please go through the course and create a vision board and then let me know what happens. Okay? Happy vision boarding.